Leasing is an alternative form of finance with several advantages and is popular among companies in the U.S. and overseas. Our goal in this lesson would be to explain several of these advantages. We can start by saying one of the most attractive traits of some leasing facilities is that a down payment is not required. The acquirer can have the asset without making a substantial investment and blocking a significant amount of cash. If technology changes rapidly, the lessor will be less exposed, given they don't own the asset and can easily give it back to the lessor. One of the most important advantages of leasing financing is it can be kept off the balance sheet when the leasing is registered as an operating lease. The firm registers an expense in its P&L and has no financial liability on its balance sheet, which can be advantageous in terms of the debt and interest coverage ratios monitored by banks. Another major plus of finance and operating leases is they are tax deductible. So, these are some of the main reasons companies lease assets, rather than acquiring them with a financial loan.